Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we've got a Hyundai Accent. It's been gifted to us because it's been neglected. Sat here for many years, untouched. It's got severe mold in it and neglect. So let's see if we can resurrect this car. It's like a crime scene, this thing. When's the last time this thing started? Like a year or two? Because the gas is probably gone. We're doing a bio-break pre-soak, which will kill the mold, prevent any more fungus growth. This stuff also biodegrades any edible stuff or organic material. Here's the inside. The mold is gone. The car smells a lot better. Dashboard's clean. Car's in great shape.